guys, it's Pooja Veera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm finally saying it out loud. You guys, I was waiting to do Shein haul since a really long time. I recently moved out to UK and I just can't wait to share all the fits that I've got from Shein. Now already spring is around the corner and I wanted to experiment with my fashion looks because I'm going to be visiting a lot of places in London, so I wanted to look pretty. And you guys know Shein is one-stop destination for all our fashion needs, so I've shopped a lot, but you do not need to worry because everything is going to be under a budget. So in case you guys are interested watching such kind of videos, I'll make sure to link the playlist of all the Shein hauls that I've done in the past when I was in India. And yeah, before getting into the actual video, make sure I give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment using the hashtag YouTubeBeeraFam, make sure you guys subscribe and also press the little bell icon. And without further more delay, let's quickly jump right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I've got from Shein is the one which I'm wearing at the moment. You guys could see this beautiful black gown which has got a slit in the right place, and I think that's flattering my body beautifully. And I love this little tie-up thing that is going right on my neck. This kind of gives cool vibes, and I have never worn something like this in my entire life, but I think it's high time I need to experiment with my fashion. This dress fits me beautifully and it's cinching on those proper places, and I personally feel that it's giving me an illusion that I'm heighted, but in real life I'm not. I am 5'3". I look like a babe. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comments. Of course, all the links to the outfits that I have mentioned in this video will be present in the description box below. Go check it out and buy anything if you love. Talking about the material, I think the fabric is just on point. I would rate it a solid 10 on 10. I have no complaints with this fit. Next fit that I have got from Shein gives a proper rainbow vibes, kind of. Now while looking at this fit, you guys are not able to figure out how I'm supposed to wear this, but this one is actually a play suit. Yes, you guys heard it right. So right from the back it has got this tie-up thingy, and from the front it's going to cinch your waistline on those proper places. It has got this beautiful cutout right near your belly area, and that accentuates the body beautifully. And I absolutely love the sweetheart neckline it has got. It is quite a stretchy. The only thing which bothers me is the waistline. I think it's a little bit loose. I've ordered in the size M. Probably I should have sized down, but anyways, I'm gonna get it stitched a bit so that it fits me properly. Other than that, I'm really happy with this particular fit. It kind of gives a very cute vibes, and it's spring appropriate and could be worn in spring and summer season as well. So I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and check this one out. Next thing got from Shein is my absolute favorite. This is actually a asymmetrical dress. Now look at this color. This is a proper parrot green color and I'm kind of obsessed with this color. Now talking about the sleeves, it is a one shoulder and it has got this beautiful ruffle thingy right going over the sleeves, and I absolutely love this particular thing that's going around waist to knee line. It has got so much of cinching right here, and I think this fits my body beautifully. Pairing a cute set of dainty neck pieces, a nice watch and a good pair of heels, and I think you are all set to slay for any party night. So I'm looking forward to wear this in any of the parties if I get to attend in near future. Next thing that I've got from Shein is this mesh dress. Now this is a straight dress and it has got bell sleeves and it's high neck. It has got the spider print all over the dress. Ever since I saw this dress, I was like, I need to try it out because I've never worn anything like this in my entire life. So I was up for experimentation, but after wearing it, I feel this doesn't look so much flattering on me. Probably this would look good on someone who is fair toned and has a really good body. I am brown tone girl and I am not sure what all things I need to do to make this work. So according to me, this was a big nay. Next thing that I've got from Shein is something I was really excited to try. Now this one is a very beautiful dress in emerald green color. It has got very beautiful neckline. Now I have wore such kind of dresses in the past, so I was pretty sure that this is going to look good. But talking about the fabric, I feel Shein would have done a better job designing this one because it's not of that good quality. You guys could clearly see this one is a proper full length sleeve from one side of the shoulder, other side doesn't have a sleeve at all, but it's not stable. I think I'll have to make this dress work by applying a lot of fashion tapes, because I think if I wear this particular clothing in the party, this might definitely fall. So I was quite disappointed seeing this because this fabric is not stable at all. It might fall at any point of time. So not really happy with this purchase and would not recommend you guys buying this one as well. Talking about the next fit, it's actually a maroonish red color bodycon dress which has simple straps, flexible at the same time. Now the best part about this particular fit is the back. It has a deep back, which is why I thought of selecting this one. I think this could be a perfect fit while going to pubs. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be getting an opportunity to visit a pub or something like that, but I really like to hold such kind of bodycon dresses. I think this particular fit looks great on me, cinching my body on those perfect places. You can also throw a leather jacket with this particular fit, and I think that's gonna look pretty too. Talking about the fabric, it's of decent quality, won't be complaining much about it, and yeah, I'm looking forward to wear this. Next fit that I've got from Shein is actually a gym fit, and I thought why not try out a gym top from Shein because that was looking quite flattering to me. So I got my hands on this particular black basic top, and oh my god, I'm literally surprised with the quality, and doesn't shows my tummy also, and it's pretty comfortable. It has got this same thingy right here on the neck, so in case you guys want this one to act as a high neck top, you guys could pull this chain off and you'll be all sorted. And I think this one is the best investment I did, and I'm looking forward to buy a lot of gym fits from Shein. This was just a trial, but I'm really impressed with the quality. It's like beautiful on my body. Solid 10 on 10 to this top. So yeah, that sums up my Shein haul. I hope you guys found this video useful. In case you guys are planning to buy anything from this particular video, make sure you guys check the links that I've mentioned in the description box below, and I'll see you guys soon with another Shein haul. So yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.